If you've seen Dollartub pop up on TikTok or Instagram, you might be wondering, is this a real way to make money or just another viral scam? Dollartub claims to pay you for watching videos, completing offers, and inviting friends. Sounds easy, right? But here's the deal. While Dollartub is a real app and not completely fake, most people say the earnings are super low, like a few cents per task low. Also, a lot of the offers are third-party signups or surveys that take longer than they should for barely any payout. And don't expect fast withdrawals. Some users say it takes forever to cash out, if they even can. So, is Dollartub legit? It's real in the sense that it exists and isn't a total scam. But don't expect to make real money from it. If you're curious, give it a quick try, but keep your expectations low. Let me know if you tried Dollartub and what happened. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.